All right, future PC builders, planning a high-performance gaming rig for 2025. Let's explore the top 5 PC cases making waves this year. Here's the rundown. Number 5, Fantex Eclipse G400A. A fantastic value option, the G400A includes 4 RGB fans and simplified cable management, making it ideal for those new to PC construction. Number 4, Fractal Design North. Crowned the style leader by Tom's Hardware, the North boasts attractive wood detailing, a mesh front for excellent cooling, and ample room for oversized graphics cards. It provides a stylish appearance without compromising performance. Number 3, Corsair 4000D Airflow. Prioritizing effective heat dissipation, the 4000D Airflow comes with 2 120mm fans, support for 360mm radiators, and plenty of space for RTX 50 series graphics cards. Enjoy quiet operation and a refined design for extended gaming periods. Number 2, NZXT H7 Flow RGB. The H7 Flow RGB delivers enhanced airflow, incorporating 3 RGB fans, eATX motherboard compatibility, and advanced cable management solutions. Respected reviewers appreciate its quiet operation and vibrant RGB lighting. Number 1, Heightwise 70, the ultimate dual-chamber enclosure, perfect for showcasing your build. Featuring a touchscreen LCD, extensive water cooling support, and a panoramic glass panel, PC Games N regards it as the optimal choice for demonstrating your top-tier components. Which of these cases captures your interest? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for additional tech previews in 2025.